bang, da. Yes. Hello everyone, it's Zexon here. In this tutorial, we are going to learn front leg sweep, 前扫腿. If you're learning Kung Fu Wushu, you must know this kick. We are going to learn this kick properly first, and then once you get used to it, we can do it in freestyle. Alright, let's start with the hammer fist first. 砸拳. So hammer fist is like a hammer, right? Hammer. But hammer fist like this. 啪! 砸拳. Hammer or fist. Okay, we call 砸拳. Let's do the ready action first. Put the legs together. Body maintain naturally straight. Hold your right hand as fist next to your waist. Left hand push out. At the same time, your left leg out on your toes. Body maintain naturally straight. So this is ready action for hammer fist. From this direction, you can see, ready. Drop your left shoulder. Okay, don't be like this, and relax. Let's move on. So we do it separately. Ready. Start with your left arm first, and at the same time, your left leg out. Left leg out on the same line with your right foot. See, on the same line. Don't put in front of your right leg or too much in behind your right leg, okay? Just on the same line, and then you wheel your left arm. Wheel means like a circle. See? Cone it. This is called wheel your arm. But remember, do not use too much strength. Otherwise, you will slow down and also get injured because that's not cone it. Ready? Wheel your left arm and left hand pressing down. Fingers pointing at the front. And then you punch up with your right fist. At the same time, you lift up with your right leg. So remember in Kung Fu, whenever you lift a leg up, your toes pointing down. Okay? Lock your leg. Don't be too loose. Not like this. Lock your left leg. Toes pointing down. Okay? From here. Your face is facing inwardly towards your ear, not facing out. And body straight up. So this will improve your balance. And then we're going to hammer fist in slow motion. Hammer fist, lift up, up. Left hand raise up. Right fist, hammer down. And bend your left knee in front of your chest level. Hammer fist. So when you hammer your fist, you at the same time you stomp your feet. See? Alright, talk about the hammer fist. You hammer your fist in front of your chest level. Don't be too low and not too high either. Just in front of your chest level. Your arms are not straight. Bend your arms. Fist, your fist facing towards you, not facing up. Okay? Alright, let's do this hammer fist together. Ready? In slow motion. That's hammer fist. You can crouch lower if you like, just flat. Or for beginners, you can stand a bit higher. Alright? Let's do a bit faster. And to this direction. So that's one way to do hammer fist. When I was at the Kung Fu school, we were doing like this. We were doing like this. Palm facing out. Left arm push out. And then hammer fist. But in modern days, you can do hammer fist like this. Ready. And you wheel your arm. You don't punch up with your fist anymore or left up with your right leg. You just wheel from the back like a hammer fist. Pa, tip your toes, and hammer fist. So that's in modern days. We do like this. So we try one more time. So this is faster, okay? Alright, let's move on. We from hammer fist. After hammer fist, you really step back as bow stance, gong bu. And use your left hand, slip your right hand. And you push to the right. At the same time, you bring your left leg back together as T stance. Keep your left toes as T stance. Okay? Let's try one more time. Right leg back as bow stance, body naturally straight up. Left hand, slip your right hand. And push to the right. Bring your left leg back as T stance. Body is naturally straight. Next move, your left leg step out. And we're gonna sweep with your right leg. So I do a bit. I'm gonna do a slow motion first, and then we can learn the sweep kick. Alright? So from here, we separate this sweep kick. We are going to crouch on our left leg. So this is called crouching stance, pull bu. But when you're going to sweep your leg, you tip your left toes. You don't put the heel down. Most of the weight on your left leg. So this is the center. Don't put too much weight on your right leg. The leg you're going to sweep. Otherwise, it's too much strength. You cannot sweep properly. And then you tip toes. So sweep on your toes. Okay? From here, crouching down, and you turn to the left. So this way, give you energy. For the right leg, you are going to sweep. You turn to the left, tip your left toes, and you sweep on your toes. Okay? You see? You don't put too much strength on your right leg. Otherwise, you cannot sweep. Why this called front leg sweep? Because you're going to sweep forwardly. It's called front leg sweep. Also, we have learned back leg sweep. That means you sweep backwardly. Right? So front leg sweep, we're going to sweep forwardly. So for beginners, you can try to sweep halfway first. You start from here. You start from here, end up here. That's half of circle. And then gradually you can sweep a bit more. One circle, 360 degrees. See? End up here. In this tutorial, we try to make a 540 degrees, which is 1.5 circle. Okay, let's try one more time from here. You can turn it faster, give it energy, see, to sweep. Alright, so from this direction, you can see clearly. Turn to the left, give it energy. See, if you turn faster, give you more energy and speed, power as well. Turn as one circle. Let's try to sweep 1.5. Ha. Okay. And when you're sweeping, do not lift your right leg too high. Otherwise, you will lose your balance. Okay, try to put your right foot on the ground. Okay, tip your toes. One more time. A bit faster. After, we add a finish move. Your right hand and left hand step out. And crouching down, as crouching stance, hook with your right hand and your left hand, pick up, pa, crouching stance, and forwardly finish. So this is one way to finish. Another way is like once you down the front leg sweep, you go like this, crouching on your right leg as crouching stance and finish. So both ways are good. So we are doing the first way. Alright? Okay everyone, let's start from the very beginning with a hammer fist first. So we are going to punch our fist up first, and then we can try to wheel our fist from the back. Okay? So we do it in slow motion first, and then we add more power. Alright everyone, let's do this front leg sweep, 前手腿 in freestyle. So with the freestyle, we start from kickboxing posture, which is Sanda posture. Okay, let's do this sweep in slow motion first. You just need to sweep one circle. You start from this posture, you end up with this posture. Okay, you can use one hand to support you or two hands. You can try with two hands first. Sweep one circle. See? Again. And then once you get used to it, you can use one hand to support you, which is your left hand. Slow motion. And jump. Okay, let's do a bit faster. One hand. Let's add some punches first. We make it simple. We just punch, jab, cross, and back, sweep. Okay? A bit faster. Back. Or some other kicks you know you can add it in with your front leg sweep to practice together. For example, I want to add my tornado kick in. After front leg sweep, you can add a tornado kick. Tornado kick. Or if you know other kicks, such as reverse round horse kick, after tornado kick, you can reverse round horse kick. So give a try to play with it. So this way you can improve faster. Okay, remember, practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life. We'll see you next time.